Hello everyone, welcome back to MS Innovation. Today I am here with a new project called gesture control rover with robotic arm. So here we have one rover, on top of which there is a robotic arm with gripper. So how we are going to control it? So we have a remote here with MPU 6050, which is an accelerometer sensor, which will guess the gesture of which side the acceleration is. So through this we'll be controlling this rover. So to make this project, what are all the components required? So the brain of this project is ESP32. To control all the motors and communication, everything is done through ESP32. And here I have one more remote. This is also one ESP32. So this will send data to the ESP32 that is inside this rover. And L2 rated motor driver to control all the motors, 4 motors, and 2 servos here we have for getting this action, and one more servo for gripper. To power all these things, I am using 12 volt lead acid battery. But for powering the servo motor, we need 6 volt. To achieve 6 volt from 12 volt, I am using buck converter, which will reduce 12 volt to 6 volt. That is rover part. And in the remote part, we have an MPU 6050 that will give acceleration, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis movement, and 2 push button to change from rover to robotic arm, and one more push button to get the gripper action, and one ESP32. So the communication protocol which works between this ESP and that ESP is ESP now communication. So this ESP now communication is very fast. It has around 100 to 200 meter range, and it can send data very fastly. So how it will do is every ESP will have its own MAC address. So in this remote, I have told that the MAC address of that particular ESP. So it will send data from this ESP to that particular ESP. So the data speed will be very high and it's precise also. So let's see the working of this project. So now the bot is ready. I have connected the remote to the mobile charger, so it will give stable 5 volt. And here I will turn on the bot to this push button switch. Now I will turn on this one also. Remote is on now. So remove this and I will add this. Now the bot is ready. Fine. Okay. And now to change it to robotic arm, press this button and this one, and here one more push button for gripper. Now I change this system to lower. So its speed is very good, communication speed. So switching is also very fast. This is the working of this bot.